UK drivers, before you scroll, hit subscribe. Because honestly, this warning could save you thousands of pounds. If a warning light has ever come on in your car and you thought, I'll deal with it later, this video is for you. Every year, thousands of UK drivers ignore one small car warning and end up paying £1,000, £2,000, sometimes even more in repairs. And the worst part? The damage is completely avoidable. Most drivers think warning lights are just sensors or minor glitches. But one ignored warning can quietly damage your engine, brakes, or suspension every single mile you drive. And no, we're not talking about just the battery light. This warning often starts small, rough running, slower acceleration, poor fuel economy, or a light that comes and goes. So, drivers just ignore it. But underneath the bonnet, real damage is already happening. Components wear faster, heat builds up, other parts are forced to compensate. By the time the car finally breaks down, the repair bill explodes. This is exactly why UK breakdown callouts and MOT failures are rising every year. Now here's what smart drivers do differently. They treat warning lights as early protection, not annoyance. They diagnose early. They replace the correct part, not random parts. And they avoid chain reaction failures. That's the difference between an £80 fix and a £1,500 repair. If your car shows warning lights, strange behavior, or performance drops, don't wait. Because, honestly, the longer you drive, the more expensive it becomes. If you're a UK driver and you want honest advice that actually saves money, just subscribe to D2P Auto Parts. We help drivers spot problems early, choose the right aftermarket parts, and, avoid costly mistakes garages don't warn you about. Drive smart, fix early, and, never ignore car warnings again.